Piper's Lagoon and the Shack Islands were first called Page's Lagoon. It was once a whaling station. Too many whales were hunted the first year. The humpback whales were wiped out, so the whaling station closed. Mr. Piper and his two sons came from England. In 1970, they wanted to raise sheep, so they bought Page's Point. They were disappointed when the sheep were killed by cougars. They decided to rent the land. Many people began building shack on shack islands because they were poor fishermen. Also used it because it was too far to row into Nanaimo from their fishy grounds. In one day, miners did not make enough money to live, so they fished for food. They sometimes stopped at the Shack Islands when they needed a place to sleep. When Mr. Piper died, the land was sold. People have not always agreed how to use his land. The headland has been made into a park. The Shack Islands are still used by families of the original owners.